Good morning, children. So today in your maths class we are going to do comparing numbers. You already know the greater and less sign. So today let's learn the rule. Why do we have to compare numbers and how will we get to know which is greater number and which is a smaller number. As you can see here on the whiteboard, ma'am has already written few examples. So let's do the first example. In the first example, ma'am has written an HTO. Under H is hundreds. H stands for hundreds, tens and ones. So ma'am has written the number 352. So which makes it 3-digit number. And under tens and ones, ma'am has written 76. This makes it 2-digit numbers. So similarly, ma'am has written the second example also. Under 100 tens and ones, 620. It's a 3-digit number. 98, 2-digit number. So which means that when we have the numbers with more number of digits, okay, as you can see, ma'am has written 3-digit this side and 2 digits on the other side opposite to it. So whichever number is more, digits are more in number, that will be the greater one. So like here, it is 100 tens and ones, and here it is just tens and ones. Now the last example, 246. Again here it is a 3-digit number, and under tens and ones the number is written 66. It's a 2-digit number. So which means 246 is greater than or more than 66. Similarly, 620 is more than or greater than 98. And the first one, 352 is more than or greater than 76. Which tells us the first rule, that is the number with more number of digits is greater. Okay. Now we come to the other side of the board. Here ma'am has written, both the sides ma'am has written 3-digit numbers. So what are we supposed to do here? We are going to first read the number. Under 100 tens and ones, ma'am has written 615. Then the opposite to it is written 420. Now when we compare numbers with 3-digit numbers, we are first going to see the number on that is written under hundreds. Okay. So under hundreds it is written 6, and here under hundreds it is written 4. So which will be greater? We get to know which is greater. Yes. So 6 is greater than 4, which means 615 is greater than 420. Now the second one is 460, and opposite to it is 480. So now here under, ma'am had told you in the first example, first we are going to see the number or the digit written under hundreds. Now under hundreds you can see that in both the sides, on both the sides 4 is written. So which means that it becomes same. Whenever it is same, we go to the next unit, that is tens. Now under tens, here it is written 6 and here under tens it is written 8. So we are going to see the next, that is 6 and 8. So under 6, from 6 and 8, which will be greater? Yes. So 8 is greater. So we are going to write 460 is less than 480, or we can even read it as 480 is greater than 460. Now the third example, ma'am has written one example more. 744. Now here it is written 742. Now likewise under hundreds it is written 7, that is same. Under tens again it is written 4, that is also same. Now we will move to the next unit, because we have to compare which is greater out of both the numbers. So under ones it is written 4 here, and under ones it is written 2. So which number is greater out of 4 and 2? Yes, 4 is bigger than 2. So we write 744 greater than 742, which makes it rule number 2, that is when we have to compare two 3-digit numbers, we compare the digits in the hundreds place first. Like ma'am told you, first we are going to see the digit in the hundred place. The number with greater hundreds digit is the greater of the two. If the hundreds digits are same, then we compare the tens digits. And if the tens is also same, then we move on to the ones. Okay. So it is very easy comparing numbers. You just have to look at the hundreds place, then tens, then ones. If hundreds is only different, like in the first example, you can easily make out. Then if hundreds are same in both the numbers, then you move to the tens one. If tens are also same, then you move to the ones. Okay, likewise we can find out which is greater and which is smaller.